Hi guys, look at this question. The question is 2 to the power 20 minus 16 and we have to simplify this question. First of all, we can write this 2 to the power 20 as 2 to the power 10 whole square minus this 16 is a perfect square of 4, so you can write it as 4 square. Now as you know, the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this as 2 to the power 10 plus 4 into 2 to the power 10 minus 4. Now this 2 to the power 10 has a value 1, 0, 2, 4 plus 4, and here you have 1, 0, 2, 4 minus 4. Further, you can write it as 1028 and you can write this as 1020. Now as you know that we do not have to use the calculators, so we can just split this as 1000 plus 28 and split this value as 1000 plus 20. Now we are going to apply these two brackets by using the FOIL method. First of all, multiplying 1000 with 1000 plus again multiplying 1000 with 20 plus now multiplying this 28 with 1000, again multiplying this 28 with 20 into 20. So here we get this is plus 20,000 plus 28,000 and this is equals to 560. So right here 560. Now we are going to add these four terms. Just count the zeros and don't get mistaken. This is 20,000 and this is 28,000 and here you have 560 and you have to add up all these terms. 0 here, 6 here, 5 here, 8, 4, 0 and 1. So our answer after simplifying it is a 1048560.